seconds.
Countdown.
Get it with music or coke when I'm stretching.
Wow.
Across the street under a bando and here with your hoe could get her to go fetch it.
Here, boy.
On the scale, but I call it a ruler, and that's what I'm using, my method of measure. Got it jumping up out of the pot and my clickety clucking surrounding my property. I meant to say my client tickety. Numbers official tickety. Off the mud ain't nobody did shit for me. Arrogant, often I'm bigoted. All about money like what then got into me. Breaking down bricks and we blowing good crickety. Say you ain't feeling me, ought to try killing me. Neighborhood love me, it's hard to get rid of me. My baby mothers are sick of me. I put that dick on them, now they ridiculous. Saying that when I don't come in, I'm with a freak bitch. I've been chasing my paper religion.
I'm Cookie Baby with a K. Y'all already know what's about to go down. Look, my sister and my brother, they spend the night over here. And you know, so we just chilling and stuff. She downstairs right now, so she really don't know what's going on. What?
It's 1:45.
What?
The cable bill.
I don't care about it. So I'm about to pull the I'm about to pull this prank on her like I'm about to pull the sneeze on you prank on her like it's about to go everywhere. I know she gonna be mad. So y'all wish me luck. Prank wars. Baby said she gonna get me back. You gonna get me back?
Yep.
Stay tuned. Okay, I gotta go set up the camera. What's up, bro? Just getting things ready. Oh, no, I'm not gonna wear this one. No. She knows it. Sister, come here. Yeah, I ain't talk to you.
Say it's rude to whisper.
We ain't whispering. Are you really down?
Yeah. The main person I like.
Oh, me. Oh, you playing golf? Come here.
I was about to get to go to Icebox.
You
I was getting a drink.
You playing? I know. I'm mad thirsty.
You mad thirsty and gonna take a bit to potty this damn cookie. Guess I gotta put me some water in the freezers.
What?
I don't know. What's wrong with this cup?
No.
What's wrong with this cup?
Oh, nothing.
You been in the creek? Nah. Take glaciers.
Oh, it was a prank!
What happened?
Okay. Ashley, it was a prank. It was a prank, bro. You ain't shit. Laisha gonna say don't do it.
And
I told you don't do that.
it was like, it happened so fast because I was filling that water. And I just went, I went to turn. And this thing just busted out laughing and it went all in my face. And remind you, the water was cold.
My stomach hurt.
She always doing something.
Well, shit, at least your boyfriend wasn't cheating on you this time.
Hey, yeah, I got her with a bomb prank. My boyfriend cheating on her, but
Like, them pissy.
if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Wait, hold on.
Mouth.
Man, if you don't shut your old beanbag ass head up, nigga. Alright, so if y'all like this video, give it a...
Okay, shut your big.
Go ahead, trying to flame my shit, cause I'm gonna flame you right back.
Your big pine sign bottle ass.
Hey.
Say something.
Girl, if you don't shut your little dirty drawers, I'm just telling y'all, if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments below. Get at me, please.
Yeah, yeah.